Opening a bank account used to mean taking time out of your day to visit a branch, fill out paperwork, and hand over a check or cash. Today, you can open a bank account online in minutes, and you don't even have to change out of your pajamas. If you're used to the traditional method, the idea of opening an account online might feel overwhelming. But don't worry. The process is simple once you know what to expect. 1. Find the right bank. The first step is choosing a bank that fits your financial needs. That means looking for key features like FDIC or NCUA insurance. This protects your money up to $250,000 per depositor per account ownership category. Customer service. Look for good reviews and support options, especially if you'll need help via phone or online chat. Bank products. Some banks specialize in checking or savings, while others offer a wide range including loans, credit cards, and investment accounts. Branch and ATM access. Even if you prefer banking online, it's helpful to have access to ATMs or occasional in-person service. 2. Choose the type of account. Most banks offer several account types. Checking accounts. Best for daily use, including bill payments and debit card purchases. Savings accounts. Good for storing money and earning interest, though they may limit withdrawals. Money market accounts. May offer higher interest and limited check writing, but often require larger minimum balances. CDs. Offer fixed interest rates, but you can't access your money without a penalty until the term ends. As you compare accounts, also look at fees. Try to find options without monthly maintenance fees or ways to waive them. Interest rates. Look for competitive rates, especially for savings and CDs. Minimums. Some accounts require a minimum opening deposit or balance to earn interest or avoid fees. 3. Gather your information. Before you apply, collect the documents and information you'll need. Valid ID, a driver's license, state-issued ID, or passport. Proof of address. A utility bill, insurance card, or lease agreement may work. Personal details. Full name, address, phone number, email, employment information, and social security number. Funding information. Bank routing and account numbers or a debit card if you're funding your new account right away. If you're opening a joint account, both people will need to provide this information. 4. Fill out the application. Visit the bank's website and follow the steps to apply. This typically includes entering personal details and verifying your identity, uploading or submitting ID and proof of address, choosing your account type, linking an existing account or card to fund your new one, setting up a username and password. You'll usually get a decision quickly, often within a day. Note: some banks may ask you to fax documents or stop by a branch to complete the process, though this is less common. 5. Fund your new account. Once your application is approved, you can transfer money into the account. This may involve an ACH transfer from another bank, a debit card transaction, depositing a check, a wire transfer. Processing times vary, but you'll typically have access to your funds within a few days. Tips for using your new account. Set up online access. Log into your account and explore the features. Enable alerts. Turn on notifications for low balances or suspicious activity. Move direct deposits. Update your employer and any billers with your new account info. Watch for fees. Stay above balance minimums or meet other requirements to avoid charges. Bottom line, opening a bank account online can be fast and easy, especially if you gather your documents ahead of time. Focus on choosing an account that fits your financial habits, offers useful features, and keeps fees low. And if anything's unclear, don't hesitate to contact the bank directly. They're there to help.